Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Oil prices edged higher, recovering earlier losses as tight global supply and an expected pickup in demand during the US summer driving season balanced concerns over a possible recession and China's COVID-19 curbs. The Giving Block is partnering with Shift4 for a non-profit donation campaign with the Miami Impact Index Fund. The campaign is called Caring with Crypto, and the CEO of Shift4 will be personally matching the first $10 million in cryptocurrency donations. The UK's FTSE 100 fell as the global mood soured after bleak results from social media firm Snap Inc., and shares of British utilities slumped after a media report fueled speculation of windfall tax. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. Apple shares fell 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Australia's construction work done will be released at 0130 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT. The US durable goods orders at 1230 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.